too many Kinder Joys today. Okay, pink edition, blue edition. This is for boys and this is for girls. Too many today. Only Kinder Joys. Let's open. Okay, let's open today. Okay, let's open the today pink edition. Okay, pink edition. Okay, wow, look at here. Here is the surprise gift and here is the chocolate. Milk of high quality, without colors, without everything you can read here. Okay, let's open this gift first. Okay, what is inside? Oh, wow, what is this? Wow, let's try it, let's fix it. What is this? This is like this. It's a key. Yeah, exactly, it's a key. And this is keyhole. Okay, and this goes, no, okay, I understand it. Okay, yes, and it's a key. Unlock it and open the key. Let's open this box. Okay, look at here. Oh, it's a key. Locked it. Let's unlock it again. Wow, nice. Now let's open this chocolate. Okay, wow, tasty. Let's try it. Oh, it's yummy. Nice. Thank you guys. Do subscribe.